Today I've got some crazy, exciting leaks for you about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro. These leaks are practically official, so let's dive into the details. Before we get into it, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and don't forget to hit the like button. Grab yourself a cup of tea or coffee because we're going all in today. Let's go. Now, as you all know, Samsung has a pattern when it comes to their designs. They usually start testing new designs in the A series. For example, when we first saw the triple camera setup stacked vertically, it was on the A series. From there, it made its way to the S series. And now, we're seeing that Samsung is doing it again, taking the design from the A series and elevating it to the S series. The S26 Ultra will adopt a similar design with a connected circular camera housing, similar to the A56, A26, and A36 models. Looking at the renders we've seen, the S26 Ultra is looking much sleeker and more elegant than the S25 Ultra, and let's talk about that turquoise color. It looks amazing, but we still can't confirm if it's going to be the final color. However, the design feels very premium, and if Samsung sticks to this, I'm sure it will be official almost 100% point 200MP main camera, 65W fast charging, 48MP secondary cameras, number 12MP sensors this time. More refined design with a Note style. Influence that I have to say, this new design is giving me major Galaxy Note vibes mixed with that ultra premium feel. The camera setup looks fresh, and it's giving the phone a whole new vibe. The 200MP camera is using a new sensor with new optics, so it's not just an upgrade. It's a whole new level of photography. Also, 65W fast charging. Yes, you heard that right. This is a huge improvement. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro. You know Apple never falls short when it comes to the camera design, and this year, they're going all out. The leaks are suggesting that the camera module on the iPhone 17 Pro is going to be massive, with some major design changes. 3 cameras surrounded by a large rectangular module, new color options, including a stunning orange/coral, optical zoom up to 8x. This is a major upgrade. Based on leaks, the design looks very similar to the previous rumors we've seen, but the camera bump is bigger than ever. The flash and LiDAR sensor will be placed on the right side, with the 3 cameras neatly arranged in a large rectangular block. One of the most exciting things about the iPhone 17 Pro is the rumored 8x optical zoom. That's a serious step up from the current iPhones. If that's true, Apple is really pushing boundaries here. And about the colors, there's a new frozen blue and orange coral, which I think is going to be a huge hit. Expect the frozen blue to resemble the car paint color we saw in the 13 Pro Max. Apple is stepping up its color game, for sure. Also, we're hearing that fast charging will now support 25W for wireless charging and up to 45W for wired charging. Finally, Apple is getting serious about fast charging.so. These are the major leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro. We're only a month or so away from the official announcements, and things are getting super exciting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. I've got tons of exciting content coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.